don't mind the dirty wheels in the front. Have you ever been driving and your turn signal seems to be blinking way faster than it normally does? Here's a typical one for comparison. That often means that either the front or the rear bulb for the turn signal on that side is not working. Here's the front, so that's working. Now we come around to the rear, and you can see there's no turn signal there. Also, I do apologize for my voice in this video. I just lost my voice over the last couple days, but it's slowly coming back. So I just picked up these bulbs at AutoZone for less than $10. We're gonna have to take apart, take out a couple of bolts here and pull this out. So I'm gonna try to do this real quickly because my hands are freezing, and I want to do this before my wife wakes up because this is her truck, and I think it'd be nice for her to wake up and have the truck working again. So like I said, we're gonna have to pull this off here, and there are 2 bolts under here. I should be able to get these out with my fingers. Hopefully I don't damage them, but look like that. There's 2 of those. Okay, now I'm not sure exactly, but looks like it might be like a 10 millimeter or something like that. Alright, 10 millimeters, see if that fits. Nope, smaller than that, probably 8 millimeters. Yep, I think it says 8 on there, so I should have seen that, but it's alright. Pull these out. Oop, okay. That was already broken. And that's not the interior piece, so that's good. Let me double check what's under here. Yeah, I guess there's one more. Pull that out real quick. But these are all these learning lessons that I need to be learning at this age, so I'm an expert when I'm old, right? Alright, that came out great. Would have come out great the first time if I had just looked with my eyes before yanking on it. But anyway, and once again, I do apologize for my voice, but you see we got these 2 wires going into the bulbs, and I should be able to just unclip that. So let's see. I think we probably just need that one. Here we go. So there's our bulb. Put that right in gently. All right. So goofy me, I didn't check with the working side, which was the indicator and which was the brake light. I assumed indicator, brake light. That's not the case. In my mind, I figured that the indicator would flash yellow, and with the clear cover, then a yellow light would be more visible, but that's actually not the case. So I'm going to revert that to the old bulb there and replace the bottom one, and I'm confident that that should actually solve the problem. Alright, so as I was saying, I replaced the wrong bulb, so I'm going to take the bulb out of here, put it in here, and then put the old bulb back in there. So these just twist, kind of quarter turn, and then pull out. Let's see both of those. And then this should just come right out. This is our new one we just bought. And this is the one that's actually probably out. So, and they are, I believe, some of these are directional, so you gotta put them in the right side. Let's see, back up. But then, as I was saying, toss that in, twist, toss this one in, and twist. All right, and then we'll go put this back in the car. Also, just be careful with these because these tabs that you pull up are pretty fragile. All right, let's see. You probably should test these before even twisting them and putting them in the thing. Okay. get too far, I want to turn the truck on and see if these blink. Still nothing, man. I'm trying to figure out why that would be. Alright, well, even if it didn't work out, hopefully that was informative for you guys. Anyway, I'm going to go see if there are any other solutions for this. Cheers.